Exciting announcement. Blum new airdrop. Hey everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing the Blum Airdrop. But before we dive in, I've got something special for you, a free giveaway. To enter, you don't need to do much. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump into the video. Blum price prediction after listing, a rising star in the 2025 crypto market. Blum coin Blum is quickly gaining traction in 2025 as one of the most talked about new tokens in the cryptocurrency world. Backed by a major exchange listing, a global airdrop campaign, and an array of optimistic price forecasts, Blum is positioning itself as a standout player in this year's crypto landscape. Blum Coin Overview, a token on the rise. Launched recently, Blum Coin is already sparking excitement within the crypto community. With a total supply of 100 billion tokens and an expected initial market cap of around $1 billion, Blum has strong fundamentals to support potential long-term growth. Industry analysts are watching closely, with forecasts pointing to both short-term surges and long-term sustainability, highlighting Blum's potential in an increasingly utility-focused crypto market. Major catalyst, exchange listing and airdrop campaign. One of the most significant developments propelling Blum's momentum is its upcoming listing on a leading cryptocurrency exchange, anticipated in Q1 2025. While the exact date hasn't been announced, the listing is expected to expose Blum to millions of global traders, boosting liquidity, visibility, and investor confidence. Complementing the listing is Blum's inclusive airdrop initiative, launched in October 2024. Open to all Telegram users worldwide, the airdrop doesn't require users to meet any specific criteria. Token distribution is based on engagement and referrals, rewarding users for simply participating in the community. This grassroots approach reflects Blum's commitment to building a wide-reaching and engaged user base. Blum price predictions, what experts are saying. Forecasts for Blum's performance vary across platforms, but the consensus is clear: 2025 could be a breakout year. Short-term projections. CoinCodex predicts a short-term trading range between $0.0177 and $0.0204, with a 3-month target of $0.0467. Gate.io estimates a 2025 average of $0.01293, with highs near $0.0141. Binance Square offers an aggressive 2025 average of $0.4026, with potential highs of $1.05 by 2030. 1-year outlook. CoinCheckup forecasts a steady climb to around $0.0331 within 12 months. High-end forecasts. CoinGabber analysts suggest an initial price of $0.05 at launch, citing strong community engagement, utility-driven tokenomics, favorable market conditions. If these factors align, Blum could see a substantial price spike following its exchange debut. 2025 monthly price forecast, a bullish trend. Aggregated projections show Blum maintaining upward momentum throughout 2025, expected to trade between $0.0107 and $0.0505, with an average yearly price of $0.0285. Blum shows signs of sustained growth in a maturing market. What's fueling Blum's momentum? Major exchange listings. A high-profile listing will expand access, drive liquidity, and legitimize the token. Engaged community and ecosystem. Blum's grassroots growth strategy and focus on utility make it appealing to both users and investors. Inclusive airdrop campaign. The open, easy-to-access airdrop boosts adoption and encourages community involvement. Positive industry sentiment. Utility-focused tokens are seeing increased demand, and Blum fits squarely in that narrative. Risks to keep in mind. While Blum shows strong promise, it's important to remain cautious. Like all crypto investments, Blum is subject to market volatility, shifts in investor sentiment, adoption rates, global economic trends. As always, potential investors should do their own research, DYOR, and consider both the opportunities and the risks before diving in. Final thoughts. With its upcoming exchange debut, active airdrop campaign, and growing community, Blum Coin is shaping up to be a key player in the 2025 crypto scene. While no investment is without risk, the stars may be aligning for Blum to make a significant impact in the months ahead. Stay tuned to the Crypto Pearl channel for more updates and tasks related to the upcoming token launch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts on the Blum in the comments below. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching. Asterisk.